Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XREAL Beam Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo in the right corner and there choose Settings, Family and Parental Control. As you can see, now we have PG3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3 to change it. Tap on it. Now enter your connect pin to your parental control and we can easily change it from PG3 to PG16, confirm by others and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now and we can easily do it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.